Hello there. Here are 5 advices for every civil service aspirants to succeed your goal. Hard copy materials. Internet makes possible of online materials and study resources. You can download NCERT books and standard books and study on your mobile or laptop. But there are more chances of distraction and eye irritation. So studying for long hours is really difficult. Always go for books and hard copy materials. Less the distraction, more the concentration. Following your own strategy. Once you Google toppers strategy, you will get tons and tons of search results of various toppers and their strategies. Just because following every strategy of your favorite topper doesn't lead you to success. One strategy working for one person doesn't necessarily mean that that strategy will work for you too. Everyone is different, everyone has unique study skills, study habits, mood swings, and sleep pattern. So find your own strategy and follow it. Of course, you can know what the topper's strategy are, but no one can follow each and every strategy. As you are unique, find your own strategy. Notes making skill. Every civil service aspirant should develop notes making skill. The syllabus for civil service is really huge. You should have to study at least 15 NCERTs. It is not easy to revise all the study materials the night before the examination, but once you have prepared the notes, it will be a lot easier for revision. You don't necessarily have to make notes out of every newspapers and magazines. At least make notes for NCERT books after you have studied it. It will be really helpful in exam time. Practice essay writing. In the 3 stages of the civil service exam, mains is the hero of all because the marks you have scored in mains is going to determine your rank and your future. Prelims is multiple choice type, but mains is essay type. Lakhs of candidates will be writing the same answer again and again. So, how your answer sheet is going to differ from the answer sheet of others by excelling your answer writing skills. Practice essay writing, answer writing for the questions from previous years. Practicing will make you shine one day. Less material and more revision. There are a lot of study materials, notes materials, mock tests, current affairs compilations available both online and offline. Don't think if you study more materials you will get more marks. Instead of reading 10 books and getting confused, understand the concept. Revise a book 10 times instead of reading 10 books. If you want to know what to study for prelims, check the description. I have linked a video I made on prelims book list. I hope you guys liked the video and don't forget to subscribe.